Hey everybody, Cousin Mike here from Landon Custom Classics. Got a cool product for you here. We're going to do some videos on this. The 120 watt work light from Dancing Boar. It's IP66 waterproof. It's drop resistant. It's pretty sturdy little light. Has a kickstand on the back. Unlike most of your work lights, you can turn this one upside down. I'll show you. You can see it. Kick off here real quick. See, there's no lights there. As soon as I flip this upside down and it senses my light, starts charging. A nice little solar panel on here. Has a 6,000 milliamp power bank battery in it. Has a USB plug here. Alright, my light's a little crazy. A USB power bank here. You can plug your phone in, charge it off of it. Pretty neat little device. This is has 10,000 lumens. So yeah, if I turn that on, you can't really see anything. It has 3 modes of light, and it has an emergency mode, which could be fun with messing with your drunk friends. Just saying. Kind of cool. We're going to go put this to the test. Go do some working on my truck. Things like that. Might show you down on the river, some camping uses. Keep it in your car for changing your tires. Whatever, you break down on the side of the road and you change your tire. You got your little light here. So, pretty awesome. I'm really liking this thing. I've used it quite a bit already. Solar panel built in. Awesome perk there. So, let's go put this baby to work. See what we can do here. Okay, so let's say you got a flat tire on the side of the road. You can see how bright the beam is off this thing. Lights up pretty good out here. And you got plenty of light to see what you're doing. You can use it to check your fluids, change a tire, whatever you need to do on your car out here at night. It's plenty bright. Let's see if we can show you guys the beam on this. Off in the trees and stuff over here. We can light up pretty much everything with this thing. It's got a broad beam, so it doesn't shine like super far like some concentrated beams with magnification and the whole works, but you can tell that's like looking into the sun. Pretty neat. Got a bunch of snow out here. It's kind of cold, crazy. So I got my big mask on here. So kind of doing some different things, trying to figure out like the best part I like about this light has the nice stand on it. You can use that as a handle, run around for camping, things like that. See, lights up my whole car real nicely. Super bright. So it'd be really handy if you broke down on the side of the road. Definitely going to carry this in my car with me. We'll go out here. I've been working on my pickup. We'll show how well we can see under the hood and such with it. Light up my whole path out here. I do a lot of off-roading, so light like this is very helpful. I need to run it to see what the run time is. Probably update you guys on that later. But let's go over the old truck here and just show you. We'll stand you back a ways and turn this thing toward the truck. See how well you can see under the hood and such. I don't know why my gimbal just went, oh, my finger. Anyway, we're up as far as we go here. Yeah, I'm doing some work on this right now. Actually used this light last night to do some work on here. But as you see, we can light up the entire engine compartment without even having to worry about anything. Got to get the valve covers back on here, plugs hooked back up. Then we got to break in a couple lifters, but yeah, had a little surprise. I think my starter died on us, so gonna have to wait till we can afford a new one. But see, if you're broke down on the side of the road in the middle of the night, camping, anything you have to do, this light here will do the job. I love this thing. Big shout out to the people over at Dancing Boar that put this light out. It is definitely something for an outdoorsman. Anyone that's driving, camping, hunting, and fishing, definitely a must-have. So here's my light up the whole dune buggy here. Pretty interesting. But yeah, for a floodlight situation, this thing works great. Like I say, it doesn't have a long distance beam. It's all flat and open. Let's see. Turn down the lowest beam. Has like 8 big square sections full of LED lights on it. This is the dimmest out of the settings. My phone also adjusts. There's the emergency I was telling you. To kind of signal someone. But you definitely have some fun with this thing. It's awesome. Might go out to my brother's house for a quick drive. See how antsy we can get him. Anyway, really appreciate them sending me this light to demo. Say out here in the country, we have plenty of use for this. Say up close, it's like super good. Far out, you can see, but it's not meant to be a long range beam. It's for super bright up close. It's a work light. So, like I say, if you're hanging around the camp, you can light up your whole campsite with this thing. You can light up your whole vehicle to work on it. I mean, there's a million uses for this thing. So, appreciate y'all tuning in. Hope you enjoy this light. I'll post the links. You can go get your own off the Amazon or whatnot. And we'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it.